Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today is the first video where we are doing spring decluttering, and I am starting with our entryway closet, which if you've watched videos from my channel, you'll know that this is going to resemble my very first video that I've ever done on this channel, which was a year ago. So today I am going to do a recap pretty much where I am going to be cleaning out the entryway closet and organizing this mess that we have of an entryway. So you may have noticed that the last couple of videos I had were on decluttering, and I'm calling this my first spring decluttering video. But to be honest, I started the decluttering process a couple of months back because, to be honest, one thing that gives me the most amount of stress in my house is really the amount of things we have in the house and the amount of effort that goes into having to clean, which makes me hate cleaning even that much more. So if you're like me and you feel like you just have too much in your house, I hope you can join me on like a journey of decluttering and minimalizing the things that we have in our homes. If you don't need it, if it doesn't bring you joy, like Marie Kondo would say, then get rid of it. And so I'm starting with our entryway closet here, and you'll see me at the end of the video. We are gonna go with the kids to drop off some of the stuff to we're gonna donate them. So let's do that. Let's empty stuff, because honestly the house is so much easier to clean anyway when there's not a lot of stuff, and what's the point of holding on to things if you don't ever get to use them? So you'll see me do a couple more videos of me just decluttering, okay? And I think we're borderline hoarders up in this house. So it's a problem that we need to address. But for now, you'll just see me do little videos of me emptying spaces. And it doesn't have to be done overnight, but for sure, I know that when I empty spaces in my house, I do feel a lot better. I feel a lot calmer. I feel a lot like the space is a lot cleaner. So clear lines of sight. That's my goal. That's my aim for the different spaces of my house. And we are done. After sweeping and mopping, this is what the entryway is now looking like. Feels really good, and the closet is nice and empty and organized. I have all of the kids' outdoor stuff like the basketballs and the soccer ball, just easy to grab on our way out. And then just a couple of summer shoes in that basket. Otherwise, everything is out. I am just left with my winter jackets out here that I need to put away for the year until winter is back. But for now, we have beautiful, clean, organized entryway. And then aside from these jackets, the only thing we have left are the things that we are just going to get rid of because we just have way too much. So we ended up going to a local spot where you can donate things for charity. So that's what we ended up doing with my kids, and it felt really good. So we will continue to do this. I encourage you to empty up spaces and give away things that you don't use, and it feels good and it feels empty in the house, which is also a bonus. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.